Hurricane Francine headed toward the Gulf Coast right now, expected to make landfall as a Category 2 possibly sometime today. Louisiana, Mississippi, definitely states that are facing the most danger here, expected to bring heavy rainfall, even those tornado risks. Jennifer Correa been monitoring the track of that storm, also the forecast in our area. Let's get to her right now.
All right, Mike, we're going to start off with the tropics. First up, talking about Hurricane Francine, Category 1 hurricane, still with max sustained winds at 90 miles per hour at 11 o'clock this morning. It is tracking towards the northeast direction. There's been a little bit of an increase in forward motion, so that speed increasing somewhat, 13 miles per hour, definitely faster than yesterday's flow with the hurricane. But also, the forecast has changed a little bit, where the National Hurricane Center is expecting that maybe it'll just stay as a Category 1 hurricane. But with that said, it's still going to cause some destruction, of course. Of hurricane winds of a Cat 1 is about 90 miles per hour. That's what's forecast when it makes landfall. But with it, it's going to bring the storm surge and, of course, plenty of rainfall, which already is hitting parts of Louisiana, eventually making more of a northerly turn, kind of riding up over western portions of Mississippi and then going into the Tennessee Valley and mid-Mississippi Valley. So it is going to weaken as it does that because it's moving over land, but it's going to draw in a lot of its moisture all the way up along the Mississippi River. So that's going to be a flood threat, not just for coastal areas, but as you can tell, further inland. So there's that heavy rainfall, even bands already hitting New Orleans, the Baton Rouge area, and then back around on the coast as well. Storm surge expected between 5 to 10 feet. For coastal areas of Louisiana, Mississippi around 4 to 7 feet, Alabama 3 to 5 feet. Now, the western panhandle, including Panama City and Apalachicola, Pensacola, underneath those flood watches. The flood watches also extend back out into parts of Louisiana and then up in Mississippi. Remember, the heaviest rain lies basically on the east side of the center of a storm, and that's exactly where that rain is going to target those areas. We're talking about up to a foot of rain locally. There are other areas to watch now. One off the southeast coast has a low chance to develop, and then 3 other areas out there. We, in fact, actually have the new tropical depression that has formed, but that is right next to the Cabo Verde Island, so that is pretty far out. We do expect basically that to remain out at sea.